So guys, I have some salt, sugar, baking powder, instant yeast, olive oil, flour, some warm water, and these are all the ingredients you will need to make your pizza dough. And of course, these measurements will be in the description box down below. And as you can see, we are going to make this pizza from scratch. So the first thing you want to do is to add the sugar into the warm water and mix. Ensure that it dissolves. Then you want to go in with your instant yeast. This allows the yeast to activate. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes so that it can activate properly. And as I said before, these are all the ingredients you will need to make the pizza, including your pizza paste, your pepperoni, and your cheese, of course, which I will be showing you the process of those in a minute. So after 15 minutes, this is what the yeast look like. I will transfer it into a larger bowl so that I can add the rest of the ingredients. So I added the salt, the baking powder, olive oil, and the flour. Then I mixed with a spoon first, then I used my hands. I did not use my hands at first because I don't want it to stick to my hands. This is what it looks like after I finish mixing it. So after mixing it with the spoon, I realized that I had too much water. So I went ahead and add a bit more flour. I think the reason why my dough is so sticky was because the flour was inside of the fridge before I took it out. After adding a bit more flour, this is what it looks like. Place a plastic wrap over it and put it to rest for about an hour. So while the dough is resting, I went ahead and make the marinara. I placed some olive oil into a pot along with some garlic and some seasoning, which I did off camera. Stir for about 2 minutes, then I add my tomato paste. Cook for 5 minutes and then I take it off the stove, leave to cool. So guys, you can just add your own spices to the tomato paste. Just make it yours. So while the dough is still resting, I went ahead and make the crust base using olive oil, a pinch of cornmeal, and some dry basil leaves. Before you start making the pizza, you want to put some flour on your surface so that when your flour goes onto the surface, it do not stick to the surface. In order to know if your dough is fully ready, all you can do is go ahead and punch some holes in it, and if it expanded, you know that it is ready to go. I'm not a really big fan of fast food in general, but people in my household like this type of stuff, so I just went ahead and made. After you added some flour to your clean surface, you want to go ahead and start making your pizza. And using my hands, as you all can see, to form the round shape of my pizza. You can go ahead and use whatever you have to make your circle, but I chose to use my hands because I think it's manageable this way. Then I went ahead and add some cornmeal to my pizza pan so that the dough don't stick to the pan. I had a large pan, so I ensure that all the dough gets over it. If you want, you can use a smaller pan. It depends on how you like it. So guys, comment down below and let me know how you like your pizza and what's your favorite pizza. This is how I made it, and afterwards I tried to make my edges a bit stylish, but didn't work out, as you all can see. Then I went in with my tomato paste. You should spread it all over, but ensure you have out the crust, which is the outer layer of the pan. If you made it this far in this video, remember to subscribe if you're new and give my video a thumbs up. After that, I added the crust spread around the pizza. Then I added my shredded cheese. You can use any type of cheese you like. Just make it yours, as I said. Then you want to go in with your last ingredients, which is the pepperoni. I'm not really a big fan of cheese, so I did not add a lot of cheese on my pepperoni pizza. So if you are a cheese fan, you can go ahead and add a bit more cheese to make it more cheesy. Then you want to bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes, or according to what you like, on 350 Fahrenheit. So guys, this is the finished product, and this is how I like my pizza. Well done as always. Remember to like, comment, share, tell your friends and loved ones about Willa's Kitchen YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.